Hello my YouTube friends. Today we're gonna unbox a 108 Girodias. It's a French knife. I believe this one is made in China. It's a nice pocket knife. It's got vanadium steel, it says. Got a nice pull. Metal liners. I guess a vanadium backspring as well. Wood grips. Copper pins. Real nice little knife. Blade is spot on in the middle. Let's have a look at the blade length. It's a nice spear point. I like the polished bolsters. The length of the blade is 7.3 centimeters. The cutting edge is 6.5 centimeters. Total length of the knife is 17 centimeters. In inches the blade length is 3.25 inch. Cutting length 3 inches. Total length 7 inches. Really like this knife. It's got a stamped blade. It says 108 Girodias. It's a real nice little knife. You can find them online for around 15 to 20 euros. Let's see if it's a bit sharp. The postage. Oh yeah. Yep. Razor sharp. Really like the look of it. Good in the hand with that little higher point at the back. It fits right between your pinky and your other finger. It's got a nice little snap on it. Real nice. For a peppy Le Pew knife, it's a fine specimen. Now we'll have a little slideshow. We'll make the background black. Turn on the slideshow. And by this time I will thank you very much for being here. Hope you can like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. I will start a little tune and turn off the mic.
Blue collar life I live, yeah. Fifth pocket holds my knife. I'm box cutting all day long, yeah. Whittling dreams with strife. Pocket knife reviews I upload. Choosing steel from my hand. On my bicycle to the job site. Carving wood on the lunch break. Fifth pocket knife, tools for life. Slip joints, sharp edge through the strife. In my hand, it feels just right. Review the knives under the ring lights. Grease stained hands and callous skin.